You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this brand name, this name of a liqueur, a beverage, better known as bitters. If you want to learn more names of different spirits, stay tuned. This is from Spanish, from Trinidad and Tobago. Angostura is how they pronounce it there in Spanish. Angostura. Angostura. In English, see if you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, you can simply say it as Angostura. Angostura bitters or bitters. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.